Let's go to page 288 and start with number 1. Okay, so read through the problem. So this is a mixture problem. So let's go and make the table for mixture problem. Okay, and so this is going to be the cost, the amount, and the total. And let's go and write the name what are we mixing on the top. So you have the peanuts and cashew. Okay, next let's go and read the problem and fill in all the blanks. So you have to read the problem several times. So first, just get the idea of what kind of problem it is to make then you make the table. And after that, you need to go ahead and start to read again and put in all the numbers in here. So Renee wants to make a 12-pound mixture. Okay, so the mixture amount is 12. So 12 pounds amount of the mixture is 12. Okay, and it says the peanuts cost $4 a pound. Okay, so cost is the per pound cost, and the cashew costs 8. Okay, how many pounds of each kind must be used if the mixture is cost $5 a pound? Okay, so that's all the information you have. So you're looking for amount of peanuts, so let's go and call it P, and amount of cashew, call it C. Okay, so you have $4 per pound, and you have this many pounds, so the total would be 4P. Again, $8 per pound, and you have this many pounds, so it would be 8C. And the mix is $5 per pound, and there are 12 pounds, so it would be 60. Right, multiply. And so that's your equation. So whenever you see variable, that's your equation. So you got P plus C equal to 12. That's your first equation. And you got 4P plus AC equal to 60. Okay? Then next what you do is you want to eliminate the lower variable. Okay? So let's go and make the P opposite. So I'm going to multiply by -4. So I got -4P minus 4C equal to -48. And I'm going to put this under here. So I got -4P minus 4C equal to -48. Then add this together, so this will cancel out. So I got 4C equal to 12. Divide by 4, divide by 4. So C equal to 3, and the label will be pounds. Okay. Then after that, once I found cashew equal to 3 pounds, then use any equation. So this is the easiest equation. I'm going to use this one to solve for peanuts. So P plus C equal to 3. Right, against whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. Then you minus 3 on both sides. So I got P equal to 9 pounds. Okay. Okay, number 3. So you can read through to get an idea. So this is mixing toffee and caramel. Okay, so you can mix your problem. So let's go and make a table. So mixing with toffee candy and the caramel. Okay, let's go back and read. So Mrs. Martinez mixed 15 pounds. So 15 pounds of toffee. So 15 is over here. Okay. So 15 pounds of toffee that costs $1.25 with caramel that costs $1.50 per pound. Okay, how many pounds of caramel? So that's how many pounds. So that's what we're looking for. Must be she used to make a mixture that costs $1.35 per pound. Okay, so that's all you have. So again, when you mix together, you're adding together. So this would be C plus 15. Okay, right? When you mix these two together, you get that. Okay, and after you have to multiply down, so get your calculator. So 1.25 times 15, this will be 18.75, okay. And this will be 1.5c, and this one you multiply, you have to distribute, so you're going to get 1.35c plus, so you have to distribute, okay. So 1.35 times 15, okay, 20.25. Okay, so that's it. Okay. Now over here, when you have the variable in two rows, then you're going to get two equations. Okay. Over here, since you have only one variable, see over here you got two variables, you need to get two equations. Over here you only got one variable, so all you need is one equation, and the equation you need is on the bottom. So you got 18.75, so that's for the toffee, and 1.75c, that is for the caramel. And this will equal to 1.35c plus 20.25. Okay. Okay, so let's go and move this over first, because this is a lower number, so let's move it over. So minus 1.35c. So this will cancel out. Okay. And so this will become plus 0.15c. Then that's minus 18.75 on both sides. So you got 0.15c is equal to 1.50 divided by 0.15 divided by 0.15. Okay. And so you're going to get c equal to 10, and the label will be pounds. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 5, I can read through. So this is a mixture problem again. So make a table. Okay, and let's write down the name of what we're mixing. Okay, nuts and raisins. So nuts and raisins. Then you get mix. Okay, let's go back and read. It says, okay, 10-pound mixture. So mixture is 10 pounds. So 10 goes over here. Of nuts and raisins costs $25. Okay. Now don't put over here. Okay. When you see the word per pound, that's what goes over here. But the 10 pound costs $25. So 25 is already total. So 25 goes over here. Again, this one is whenever you have the word per. Okay, per, per pound goes on top. So 25 is for the total already. So it goes down here. Okay, so do not put up here. So be careful with this one. It says if the raisin costs 1.90 per pound and nuts cost 3.40 per pound, how many pounds of each are used? Okay, so again, let's just put in and R. Now we don't need this space because we have the total. Normally you need this and multiply to get that. Okay, but this one we don't need. Okay, so let's go and multiply down. So this will be 3.4 N, 1.9 R. So you got two variables, so you need to get two equations. So first equation is this one here. So N plus R equal to 10. Again, that's your equation. Second equation is 3.4 N plus 1.9 R equal to 25. Okay. Okay, so that's going to multiply by negative 1.9 because you always want to eliminate lower numbers so that way you don't end up with a negative. Okay, so you're going to get negative 1.9 N minus 1.9 R equal to negative 19. So put this under here. So you got negative 1.9 N minus 1.9 R equal to negative 19. So when you add, you cancel out. Again, that's your elimination method. Okay, so you got 1.5 n equal to 6. Okay, and then after that, let's go ahead and divide both sides by 1.5. Divide by 1.5. So n equal to 4, and this would be pounds. And after that, you come over here, use this equation to solve for the raisin. So you got 4 plus r equal to 10, minus 4 on both sides. So you got r equal to 6 pounds. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 7. Okay. So you can read through. Okay, so again, this is a mixture problem, so that's going to make the table. And what are we mixing? Soybeans and corn. Okay, so soybeans and corn. Okay, let's go back and read and start to finish. Again, make sure you get all the titles, you know, the labels ready, okay, the names ready, and then you can fill in the blanks. So Mr. Wang wants to mix 30 bushels of soybeans. So 30 bushels of soybeans. So soybeans is 30 bushel of soybean with corn to make a 100 bushel mix. Okay. And that costs $4.85 per pound. Okay, how much can you afford to pay for each bushel of corn? So this one, that's what you're looking for. If the soybean costs $8 per bushel. Okay. So obviously from this you can go back, right? So you can see that this has to be a 70, right? Because you got 30 bushels of the 30 bushels of soybeans and 100 bushels of mix. So again, you can subtract, right? So go and work down. So this would be 240. This would be 70C, and this would be 485. So again, you have only one variable, so all you need is one equation. So you got 240 plus 70C equal to 485. So minus 240 on both sides. So you got 70C equal to 245. Okay, then after that you divide by 70 on both sides. So C, the cost of C would be 245 divided by 70 equal to 3.5. So it'd be 350. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 9. You can read through. Okay, so this is the coins. So you got nickels and dimes. So you got nickels and dimes, and so this is the value, and this is the amount, and this is the total. Okay? Okay. So that's going to read. So Bill has 13 coins. Okay? So amount would be 13, right? So this is the total, right? Okay. So Bill has 13 coins, right? So the total amount, right? This is how many? And a total value of 95 cents. Okay, so total value of 95 cents. Okay, the value of nickel is 5, then the value of dime is 10. Okay, and how many of each kind. So you're looking for N and a D. Okay. So again, you multiply. So the value of nickel is 5 cents per nickel times number will give you the total value, and it will be 10D, right? Okay, so again, you got two variables. You need to have two equations. So you got N plus D equal to 13. Okay, so this is the total amount, the how many, and this is the total value. So you got 5N. So you got 5N plus 10D equal to 95. Okay, so let's go and eliminate the N because it's a lower number. So multiply by negative 5. So you got negative 5N minus 5D equal to negative 65. Then you put underneath this here. So negative 5N minus 5D equal to negative 65. So this will eliminate. Again, there's a whole reason for doing this. So you got 5D equal to 30. Divide by 5, divide by 5. So time equal to 6. So there are 6 times. Then come over here, use this one here. Let's get rid of this. Okay, so you got N plus D is 6. Again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. So minus, minus 6 on both sides. So you got N equal to 7. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 11, again, read through it. Again, this is a coin. And what kind of coins you have? You have nickels and quarters. Okay, so you can, just like the previous problem, let's go and make the table. The table helps you to visualize your information. Okay. Okay, so you have the nickels and quarters. Again, this is the value of each coin, and amount A is amount, how many, and this is the total value of that. Okay, and this is the total. Okay, so nickel is 5 cents. The value of nickel is 5 cents. The value of quarter is 25. So that's kind of obvious. Okay, it says Jennifer has total 12 coins. Again, A is amount, how many? So there are total of 12 coins. Okay, there are total of 12 coins. There are total value of 2,020 cents. So because these are cents, so you have to use 220 cents. Okay, so this is 2,020 cents. So you have to convert into cents. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so again, amount you don't know, that's what you're looking for. So again, whatever you don't know, you use variable for it, right? So this would be 5N because 5 cents for each nickel times number of nickels will give you the value, right? So it would be 25Q. So two variables, you need to get two equations. So first you base on the number of coins. Okay, that's based on number of coins. And your next one you base on number of value. Okay, so that's going to multiply by negative 5 to, I'm going to eliminate the n. So I'm going to make this opposite. So negative 5n minus 5q equal to negative 60. And I'm going to put under here. Okay, and this will cancel out. So I get 20q equal to 160. Okay, divide by 20, divide by 20, so Q equal to 8. So there are 8 quarters. Okay, I'm going to come over here, so substitute to look for N. So N plus the Q is 8. So substitute, again, whatever you substitute, put in parentheses. So minus 8 on both sides. So I get N equal to 4. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 13, I can read through. This is the coins, so I can draw your table to help you to organize. So the value of each coin, amount of each coin, and the total value of each coin. Okay, so how many coins is? So you got nickel, dimes, and quarters. Okay, so nickel, dimes, and quarters. Okay, so it still has $4. Okay, so that's 400 cents. That's the total of everything. Okay, in nickel, dimes, and quarters. The value of nickel is 5. The nickel of dime is 10. The value of quarter is 25. Right? Okay, if there are 4 more quarters than nickels. Okay, so you have to learn how to translate. I'm just going to write off on the side for now. So there are 4 more quarters. So quarter equal to. So when you're doing a translation, right? When you have this kind of translation, okay. So what you do is you move the word to the front. So quarters are 4 more than nickels. Okay, and for the second one, okay, you can move the dime to the front. So dimes are 3 times as many as nickels. So that's how you translate those words. Okay. Okay. So again, quarters are 4 more than nickels. And then you have, next one is dimes are 3 times as many as nickels. Okay. So everything's all based on nickels, so you can kind of actually put in the table. Okay. So the amount of nickel you don't know, so call it N. The D, the amount of dimes is 3 times N, so be 3N. The number of quarters is N plus 4. So you can do that. Okay. So this one is not too bad. So you can do it this way. So now all you have to do is just multiply down the table. So you got 5N, and this would be 30N, and this would be 25N plus 100. Okay, so now you have only one variable over here, so all you need is this one equation. So you got 5N plus 30N. So this is the value from the nickels, value from the dimes, and this is the value from the quarters. And total equal to 400. Okay, so let's go and combine the like terms. So this would be 30 plus 30 would be 60N plus 100 equal to 400. So minus 100 on both sides. So you got 60N equal to 300. Divide by 60, divide by 60. So N equal to 5. Okay, once you find N equal to 5, I'm going to find D. So D equal to 3 times N is 5. So D equal to 15. Okay? And then I'm going to use this one here to solve for Q. So Q equal to 4 plus N. Again, whatever you substitute, you put in parentheses so people were able to know that that's what you substitute. So Q equal to 9.